New Delhi da laiba New Maharashtra sadan da ngarang pangthokhiba Republican Party of India RPI athwale gi anauba office barrier khanbage National Executive Meeting da Party SG National President oidiba Ramdas B athwale bu adumak National President oina ba khankhre loinana Party SG National Secretary oidiba Manipur State Committee gi President Maheshwar thongnaujam busu Amuka Hanna National Secretary gi Fam Sinarakle hairi Party SG Parliamentary Committee gi key member amasung CWC gi members su nauna hapkhre National President su oidiba Union Minister of State Ramdas B athwale yauna Party gi luchingba sing amasung thaupuba sing yauna pangthokhiba thoram aduda RPI athwale party bu Manipur gi Regional Party ama oina ECI na sak khangkhiba bu su President Ramdas B athwale na haraba phongdokhi mifam aduda saruk yakhiba Maheshwar thongnaujamna Manipur gi laidiba issue singda Regional Party ama oina thabak tawgani haibu wafam hena checksana thamkhibaga loinana Party asige National Secretary ama oina party gi national level da chathagada ba thabak thoram singda thawai yaungna hotnagani hainasu mahangna phongdokhi hairi